Hi guys. Okay, so I had went to work and then I went to go see my dad in the hospital because he just had surgery. He's doing good, um, but continue to keep him lifted up in prayer for full recovery in Jesus' name. So I got a message on my phone saying that my book proof has been delivered to my door. So I rushed home. I was like, Dad, I'll come back and see you in a little bit, but my book has been delivered to the door, Dad. I need to go see what it looks like so that I can get it published to you guys. So here it is. It's my book in book form, my manuscript in book form. It's the proof. So I have to look at this proof. Hopefully it's the final proof because I'm tired of looking at it. I want you guys to see it. I'm tired of going over it and finding fault in something. So I want to open it up with you guys together. I'm so nervous. Arby's here to open it with me. Say hi. Okay. I'm so nervous, guys. Did I hurt your ears? I'm sorry, it's squeaking. Ugh, okay. No, you don't need that, baby. Okay. I'm so nervous. Oh, I'm so nervous. Oh, jeez. Okay. Okay, this has to be the best day of my life. Oh my goodness. Here's a slip. I see the back of it. I'm worried about the front the most. So, but here's the back of it. Unafraid to Soar. Oh my gosh. It looks like it can be a little bit more clear. Oh my goodness, God. Are you serious? Yo, it's my book. It's in actual book form. My book. Oh my God. It looks so much better. Oh my goodness. And it's so soft. It's the matte finish. It's an actual book. Oh my gosh. You see it, baby? Do you like it? Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. It's so thick. Oh my gosh. So let me tell you what it's about. So the first part of this book ends. Oh my goodness. The first part of the book ends right here. The second part is a journal, to where you would write. You guys know I do research and journaling and disclosure writing. So you can write prompts, answer questions and write prompts. And at the very end, there's blank pages for you to write as a daily journal as well. So it says proof in fact. This is the proof. But oh my gosh, this is my book. How? How is this God? Oh my God. God, you're so amazing. So I have my cover page, Unafraid to Soar, a guide to learning psychological and spiritual strategies to conquer fear and anxiety while boosting mental health and strengthening your faith. And I have my copyright page. Oh my God, it's so real. God. Oh my God, you're so real too for allowing this to happen. And I have my dedication page. Oh my goodness. Let's see. I have to go through it so that I can make sure that everything is good. And then my content page. Oh my goodness. This is not real. Oh my God. Like, y'all, I want to. Is it hot? It's hot in here, baby. And I have my acknowledgements page. So, got some cool things. Oh my God, I cannot believe this. It looks so real. I'm ready to publish it. I'm going to go through it today. Hopefully I can publish it by tomorrow. I'll see something that's off. Maybe that was not that bad. Oh my God, this is perfect. My picture could be clearer. No, it doesn't really matter about my picture. I just want you guys to see. Oh my God, it's an actual book. All right, well, I'm going to go through this, and I'm going to make sure that everything's good before I publish it, make it available on Amazon. God, you're so amazing. This is so surreal. Like, I can't believe oh my God. I can't believe I did this. God, I don't know what he wants me to do. I hope you guys, get you a copy of Unafraid to Soar. This has been, ever since I rededicated my life back to God and really wanted to fulfill my purpose, his purpose for me, and, the calling that he has over my life. Talk a little bit about that in the book. And so I've been living this motto out, Unafraid to Soar, because I always battled with fear and anxiety, and it's prevented me from, living out my calling. It's prevented me from actually even trying new things sometimes. So, but there's the first part is it's kind of like a memoir, it talks about my life a little bit. And then there's different chapters. We break it up into both the psychological and the spiritual aspects of things, and coping with anxiety and fear, and boosting your mental health, and also how to tap into your calling and find your purpose, and all of that good stuff in this book. And then there's some journaling in there, because I really think that writing is important for coping and and dealing with certain things, because I believe that writing could help with your mood as well. So that's what I want this book to do for you guys. It looks good, actually. I might as well just go ahead and do it, but I feel like it could be better. But I don't want to hold it off for too long. All right, guys. I love you so much. Just stay posted. Give me a couple of days. I promised you for February 2018 that the book will be out. So we have a few more days left in February. So then there we go. And continue to keep my dad in prayer. I love you so much. Bye. Say bye, Aubrey. Say bye. The baby just had surgery too. She's not really good. All right. Bye.